Let me ask you something. Right now, tonight, while your car sits in your driveway, in the dark, engine off, it's awake. It's recording. And everything it's collecting about you, it's already been sold. Not to a hacker, not to a government agency, to your insurance company. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. I'm going to name the companies involved. I'm going to show you the documents. And at the end, I'm going to tell you the only cars on the road today that are completely clean. Stay with me. This is going to change how you look at every car on the road. Here's what most people don't know. Every new vehicle rolling off the assembly line today, Ford, GM, Toyota, BMW, doesn't matter, comes factory equipped with a cellular modem, a permanently active SIM card embedded directly into the car's computer system. This isn't a feature you opted into. It's not in the brochure. It was installed while the car was still on the production line, before you ever signed the purchase agreement. What does this modem do? It transmits your data, continuously, silently, in real time, to the automaker's servers. We're not talking about vague, anonymous usage statistics. We're talking about your precise GPS coordinates, your exact speed at every moment, how hard you hit the brakes, how aggressively you accelerate, the times you leave your house and when you return. In 2023, Mozilla Foundation conducted an independent audit of 25 major automakers. Their conclusion was devastating. They called modern cars the worst product category they had ever reviewed for privacy. Every single brand they tested failed, and 84% of them said they can share your data with third parties without being required to tell you. Now here's where it gets criminal. The automakers don't keep this data to improve your experience. That's the cover story. The reality is a multi-billion-dollar data brokerage industry operating in plain sight. A company called LexisNexis Risk Solutions operates a product called Telematics Exchange. They purchase raw driving data directly from automakers. GM, Hyundai, Mitsubishi, Subaru, all confirmed participants. LexisNexis then packages this data into individual risk profiles, one for every driver, and sells those profiles directly to your insurance company. In March 2024, the New York Times published an investigation that documented exactly what happens next. Drivers reported their insurance premiums doubling, with no accident on their record, no tickets, no change in their situation. The only thing that changed? Their car had been ratting them out for months. One driver saw their premium jump by $1,500 per year. The reason listed on the insurer's file? Hard braking detected 34 times over 6 months. Their own car, their own data, used against them. So which brands are the worst offenders? General Motors. Their OnStar system is one of the most aggressive data collectors in the industry. GM was specifically named in the New York Times investigation as sharing data with LexisNexis and Verisk, another major insurance data broker. Hyundai and Kia, confirmed participants in the LexisNexis program. Subaru, their Starlink system actively collects location and behavioral data. And Tesla? Tesla collects more data than any other manufacturer on Earth. Their vehicles have external cameras recording your surroundings, internal cameras monitoring your face, and a data pipeline that feeds everything back to headquarters in real time. In 2023, Reuters reported that Tesla employees had been internally sharing sensitive footage captured by customer vehicles, including private moments, via an internal messaging system. So what do you do? First, if you already own a modern vehicle, you can submit a data deletion request to your automaker. You can also contact LexisNexis directly and request your full consumer report. Federal law gives you the right to see exactly what data they hold on you. But the cleanest solution, the one that eliminates the problem entirely, is simple. Vehicles built before 2010 contain 0 cellular modems, 0 telematics systems, 0 data pipelines. They are mechanically and electronically blind to the surveillance economy. A 2002 Toyota Camry, a 2005 Honda Accord, a 2007 Ford Crown Victoria. These machines cannot report on you because they were built before the infrastructure existed to do so. They are the last generation of cars that are truly, completely yours. You pay for the fuel. You pay for the registration, the maintenance, the tires. Every single year, you write check after check just to keep that machine running in your driveway. And yet, somewhere between the dealership and your front door, your vehicle stopped working for you. It started working for them. Think about what we just uncovered. The moment you turn the ignition, a cellular modem wakes up and starts broadcasting. It doesn't ask for your permission. It doesn't warn you. It just transmits. Your location, your speed, your braking force, your acceleration pattern, the exact time you left for work this morning, and the exact time you came home last night. That data travels to a server you've never seen, owned by a company you've never heard of, and gets packaged into a profile with your name on it. Then that profile gets sold to the exact same insurance company that's already charging you hundreds of dollars every month for the privilege of driving your own car. And here's the part that should make your blood run cold. You didn't consent to this. There was no checkbox. There was no opt-out form in the glove compartment. The agreement was buried in a terms of service document that runs 40, 50, sometimes 60 pages long, written by corporate lawyers specifically so that nobody reads it. This is not an accident. This is a system. A deliberate, engineered, profitable system designed to extract maximum value from the people who can least afford to fight back. Because who gets hit hardest by a $1,500 premium increase? Not the people who can absorb it. The people living paycheck to paycheck. The people who need that car to get to work. The people who have no alternative. The automakers knew this. The data brokers knew this. The insurance companies knew this. And they built the system anyway. Now let's talk about what you can actually do, right now, starting today. Step 1. Request your LexisNexis consumer report. Go to personalreports.lexisnexis.com. Federal law gives you the right to see every data point they hold on your driving behavior. Pull it. Read it. Know exactly what they know about you. Step 2. Contact your automaker and submit a formal data deletion request. If you live in California, Colorado, Virginia, or any state with consumer privacy laws, they are legally required to honor it. Don't ask. Demand. Step 3. If you are in the market for a vehicle, stop. Before you walk into another dealership, do this audit first. Look at pre-2010 vehicles. Look at pre-OBD2 telematics vehicles. Look at machines that were engineered before this surveillance economy existed. Because here's the truth that the industry does not want you to understand. A 2003 Honda Accord with 150,000 miles on the clock cannot spy on you. A 2006 Toyota Camry cannot sell your data to LexisNexis. A 2007 Ford Crown Victoria, a machine literally built for police fleets, engineered for 300,000 miles of hard use, has zero data pipeline, zero cellular modem, and zero way to betray you. These cars don't just save you money on the purchase price. They save you from a surveillance system that is actively, silently, continuously working against your financial interests. That is the real cost of a new car in 2025. Not $50,000. $50,000, plus your privacy, plus your data, plus the insurance premium hike that follows you for years because your own vehicle decided you braked too hard on a Tuesday morning. Audit everything. Trust nothing with a touchscreen that you didn't put there yourself. If this investigation opened your eyes to what's happening inside your own driveway, hit subscribe. Every single week, Factory Audit tears open the products you own, the systems you live inside, and the corporate decisions that are quietly, methodically draining your bank account. You deserve to know what you actually bought. And if you want to see how the exact same data harvesting playbook has now moved into your kitchen, your refrigerator, your washing machine, your smart oven, click the video on your screen right now. Because they didn't stop at your car. They never stop.